Hello. I'm here to see Angkor Wat. Can you tell me where to start?
Welcome. Angkor Wat is just a short walk from here. Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I got my ticket earlier. Where should I go first?
Head straight to the main gate, and you'll get a view of the central temple.
That sounds great. How far is it from here?
Only about 500 meters. You'll see it as you walk up.
I'm so excited to see it in person. This place is amazing. The architecture is incredible.
It truly is. Angkor Wat was built in the 12th century.
Wow, it's so old. What was it originally used for?
It was a Hindu temple, dedicated to the god Vishnu.
So, it's not just a Buddhist temple?
Yes, it was originally Hindu, but it became a Buddhist site later on.
That's fascinating. How many people visit here every year?
Millions of visitors come here annually.
I can see why. The atmosphere is incredible. These carvings are so detailed. What story do they tell?
They depict stories from Hindu mythology, like the churning of the ocean of milk.
I've heard of that legend. It's a story of good and evil, right?
Exactly. The carvings show the gods and demons working together.
It's amazing that it's all carved in stone.
Yes, and the stone is sandstone, which was transported here.
That must have been a massive effort.
It was. Building Angkor Wat took many years and many workers.
Can I take pictures here?
Yes, of course. Just avoid flash in some indoor areas.
Thank you. I want to capture every moment here.
The sunrise and sunset views are especially beautiful.
Oh, I'll have to come early tomorrow for the sunrise.
Good idea. The sunrise here is very popular.
I can see why. The temple looks magical in this light. How long did it take to build Angkor Wat?
It took around 30 years to complete.
That's impressive for such a large structure.
Yes, and it was one of the largest temples of its time.
What kind of tools did they use back then?
Mostly simple tools like chisels and hammers.
It's amazing they achieved so much with just basic tools. Are there other temples nearby?
Yes, Angkor Wat is part of a larger complex with many temples.
Can you recommend a few others to visit?
Definitely. Bayon and Ta Prohm are very popular.
Is Ta Prohm the one with trees growing over it?
Yes, it's famous for its unique look with tree roots covering the temple.
I'd love to see that. It must feel like stepping back in time. The towers are so tall. How high are they?
The central tower reaches about 65 meters.
That's amazing for an ancient structure.
It was built to represent Mount Meru, a sacred mountain in Hindu beliefs.
I can see how it resembles a mountain.
Yes, the design was very intentional.
Do local people still worship here?
Yes, it's still an active religious site.
That's wonderful. Are there any special rituals I can observe?
You may see people offering flowers and incense to Buddha statues.
I'll be respectful and observe quietly.
Thank you. It's always appreciated.
The grounds are so beautiful. Is this a park?
Yes, Angkor Wat is surrounded by a large moat and gardens.
It makes the area feel so peaceful.
The moat was also designed to protect the temple from erosion.
Smart design. They thought of everything. Is there a place nearby to get something to drink?
Yes, there's a cafe just outside the temple area.
Perfect. I'll take a short break before exploring more.
Good idea. It's a big area, so pace yourself.
Thank you for the advice. Which way to the main hall?
Go straight ahead, and you'll see the entrance on your left.
Thank you. This place is so big, it's easy to get lost.
Yes, it's quite a maze. Just look for the towers as landmarks.
I can't believe how beautiful this place is.
It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site for a reason.
Every part of it is so well preserved.
Cambodians take pride in their heritage and work to maintain it. Are there any legends about Angkor Wat to maintain it? Yes, some say it was built by a divine architect in one night.
That's such an interesting story.
Many temples have similar legends that add to their mystique.
I'm planning to come back for sunrise. Do you have any tips?
Arrive early to find a good spot. The reflection in the water is stunning.
Thank you. I'll make sure to be here bright and early.
It'll be worth it. The sunrise here is unforgettable.
Thank you so much for the tour. I learned a lot.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your time in Cambodia.
Yes, thank you. See you next time.